Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to find your feedback on Turnitin.com in case you're someone who's not sure how to do it. The first thing, of course, is you want to go to Turnitin.com, and so you want to open up Safari, open up Google Chrome, put in Turnitin.com, and then once you get to the website, you're going to go ahead and log in. And at this point, everybody should know their login. It's going to be your school email, and it's going to be whatever your password is. If you happen to forget, there's a link right here at the bottom that says forgot password, and you can click on that link and reset your password. Once you log in, you will find the class, whatever class you're in, period 1 or period 8. And then it's going to look a little bit different on my page than yours because I'm the teacher. But once you log in, you should be able to find your name, and you should be able to find your rough draft. Usually there's a number, a percent number, and you always want it to be a green number, so usually under like 25%. And that's just talking about how much outside stuff are you using, how much outside writing are you using, and usually we always want it to be under 25%. We want your paper to be more of your voice and less of outside voices. So when you open up your document on Google Chrome or Safari, it's going to look like this. You're going to see your website, your paper, and you'll see there are things that are kind of highlighted. Turnitin it's a plagiarism program, and so it kind of just double checks that no one is copying anything from online and trying to pretend that it's theirs. And so if you scroll through, you'll see that there are all these kind of highlighted words and highlighted phrases, and the goal is that everything that's highlighted should be cited, meaning that it's a quotation from an article. And so if I scroll through this one, I'll see that all the things that are highlighted are things that are quotes, and usually at the end there's a citation. And so whenever you see Turnitin highlight something, then that means that Turnitin knows that it's from a different source, and then I should, as a teacher, be able to see that it's been cited, meaning that you've given credit for wherever this quote came from. And so that's the first thing you'll see is kind of all the highlighted things that Turnitin found, and that's just a way to double check that everything that is highlighted has been cited. How do you find your feedback though? Okay, you have to click the icon over here. It's the feedback icon, and it's a little pencil with a square. Once you click on that, it will open up all the comments and all the kind of changes that your teacher has put onto your essay. So you'll see here Annabelle's essay. There's a few things that are highlighted in yellow here. Whenever something's highlighted in yellow, that means the teacher highlighted it. And then usually you'll see these little blue bubbles, and these are kind of like post-it notes, so you need to click on the blue bubbles and open them, and then you'll see that there's more comments inside those sticky notes. And so you want to open up all the blue bubbles and read them. Usually the blue bubbles, they're talking about whatever was highlighted. So click open all your blue bubbles, and then you'll also see the teacher can cross things out. So you'll see here I crossed out the first name in red because in the citation all you need is the last name. So you'll see there'll be kind of like some Xing out of things that the teacher does on your sheet. Also, sometimes we'll type things actually in. So instead of saying etc., just say more, right? So sometimes on the end, on the side here, we'll put some notes, or at the bottom, we'll put some notes about the paragraph or about the ideas that you have in there. So this is kind of what it looks like to look at your feedback on Turnitin.com. Okay, so look for blue comments that we type out, look for red things that we've X'd out that we want you to take out. Look for blue little sticky notes that you can open up. And so that's what it looks like to look at your feedback. Usually at the end of your essay, if you scroll down to the end of your essay, we will leave you like a paragraph or two about, okay, overall, this is what we want you to work on and make the changes for. And so that's what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Turnitin. You're going to want to look and see what are all your blue sticky notes saying, right? And then what are some things that have been crossed out, or what are some blue notes that we've typed out for you. When you're ready, then obviously we always suggest have Turnitin on one side, and then open up your actual essay on on Google Doc, right, wherever your essay is at, and then kind of work on them side by side, right? Open them up side by side so that you can make the changes on your essay to the actual final draft. The final draft is due in Schoology, so you'll see that in Schoology your final essay is due, and so you want to make sure that you are ready and you turn it in, okay?